Welcome to Cakes Factory. Get ready to turn up the color because today we are sharing 12 neon themed cake ideas that are perfect for trendy parties, teen birthdays, and late night celebrations. Let's light it up with these glowing cake ideas. The first one is neon splash drip cake. Black buttercream with base neon color, ganj drip, green, pink, orange, and yellow. Looks like a glow party on a cake. The next is glow paint splatter cake, covered in black fondant and splattered with bright edible paints for a cool graffiti style neon effect. The next is neon rainbow layer cake. Six bright neon colors in white dark frosting outside for the perfect sunrise surprise slice. The next is UV neon cake for glow parties. Decorate with edible neon pigments that glow under black light. Perfect for dark party rooms or night events. The next is neon heart bento cake. A mini heart shaped cake in neon pink or electric blue with piped glowing swirl and cute birthday message. The next is neon sprinkle explosion cake. Cut into the cake and watch neon colored sprinkles spill out, totally unexpected and totally fun. The next is neon void cake design. A cake design with a black base and bright neon colored square grid line, retro and surprise trendy. The next is neon galaxy cake. Swirl of purple, pink, blue, and lime with edible stars like a galaxy lit with neon energy. The next is neon crown cake, a royal trendy cake topped with the glowing neon yellow fondant crown, perfect for bold queen's birthday. The next is graffiti neon letter cake, a letter shaped cake with neon splashes, doodles, and tag in glow colors. Add a name or age with edible print. The next is neon electric animal cake, black fondant with a neon outlined animal cake face like a cat, bear, or unicorn. Cool for kids and teen birthdays. The next is neon birthday splash cake, a small cake of smash covered in neon candies, jimmies, and glow drips. Super for massive celebrations. That's our neon cake slide collection. 12 cake designs that light up the party. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe to Cakes Factory and hit the bell icon for more bold cake ideas on here's only on Cakes Factory. Thank you for watching and keep glowing with your bakes and keep smiling and don't forget to share this video to your loved ones so that they can bake their favorite cake and glow their parties as well. Always be positive and create positivity around you so everyone loves to live with you and happy around you. Remember me in your prayers. Thank you for watching and keep with us. See you in the next tweet video. Goodbye.